Imagine a vehicle so extraordinary that it doesn't just take you from one place to another, it transforms every journey into a luxurious adventure. Picture a motorhome that blends futuristic design with five-star hotel comfort, a masterpiece that makes you stop scrolling and watch until the very end. This is not just another RV, this is the BMW Concept Motorhome, a revolutionary creation that redefines what luxury travel means. If you've ever dreamed of owning a motorhome that feels like a private jet on wheels, then stay with me, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. Here we bring you the most exclusive, cinematic, and jaw-dropping motorhomes from around the world, designed to inspire your lifestyle and fuel your passion for luxury travel. If you love motorhomes, supercars, and the art of living on the road with style, you are in the right place. Let's begin with the exterior of this BMW Concept Motorhome. At first glance, you notice the sleek aerodynamic body, sculpted with matte gray and glossy black finishes that shimmer under showroom lights or natural sunlight. The elongated design gives it a commanding presence, while the multi-axle heavy-duty structure ensures stability and strength. The BMW logo is proudly displayed on the front grille, sharp and clear, reminding you that this is not just a motorhome, it's a BMW. The tinted panoramic windows stretch across the sides, reflecting the environment like a mirror, adding elegance and mystery. The exterior lighting system is futuristic, with LED strips integrated seamlessly into the body, giving it a cinematic glow at night. Every angle of this motorhome screams innovation, luxury, and power. Now let's step inside and explore the interior, where the magic truly happens. The moment you enter, you are greeted by a spacious lounge that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The TV lounge is the centerpiece, featuring premium leather sofas arranged around a massive flat-screen television. And yes, the BMW logo is displayed proudly on the TV screen, reminding you of the brand's identity even in entertainment. Ambient LED lighting flows across the ceiling and walls, creating a cozy yet futuristic atmosphere. Imagine sitting here with your loved ones, watching a movie, enjoying popcorn, and feeling like you're in a private cinema on wheels. Moving further, we enter the bedroom. This is not just a place to sleep, it's a five-star hotel suite integrated into a motorhome. A king-size bed with silk bedding and pillows dominates the room, while the headboard features BMW's signature stitching and a subtle logo above it. Elegant curtains frame the panoramic windows, offering breathtaking views of wherever you park. The furniture is modern and stylish, with bedside tables, lounge chairs, and decorative elements that make the space feel warm and inviting. Ambient mood lighting allows you to set the perfect atmosphere, whether you want a romantic evening or a relaxing night after a long drive. Next, we arrive at the open kitchen. This is where luxury meets practicality. Premium marble countertops shine under the LED lights, while stainless steel smart appliances are built seamlessly into the cabinetry. You'll find a smart oven, induction cooktop, and even a bar-style seating area with leather stools. The BMW logo is subtly integrated into one of the appliances, reminding you that this is not just any kitchen. It's part of a BMW lifestyle. Imagine cooking a gourmet meal here while enjoying the view outside your motorhome. This kitchen is designed to make every meal an experience. Now let's move to the driver cockpit, the command center of this luxurious motorhome. The cockpit is designed like a VIP lounge, with premium leather seats featuring BMW's signature stitching. The dashboard is futuristic, with holographic displays and digital controls that make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. The panoramic windshield offers a breathtaking view of the road ahead, whether you're driving through mountains, deserts, or along the ocean shoreline. Picture a beautiful young woman seated at the driver's seat, holding the steering wheel firmly, her attention fully focused on the highway. The cockpit is not just functional, it's a statement of luxury and control. After exploring the interior, let's step back outside and admire the exterior once again. The BMW Concept Motorhome is a masterpiece designed by BMW, a company known worldwide for its innovation, performance, and luxury. This motorhome is currently available in the United States, making it accessible to American buyers who want to elevate their travel lifestyle. While the official price has not been publicly announced, experts estimate it will be positioned in the ultra-luxury segment, competing with the most expensive motorhomes in the world. To give you an idea of its appeal, imagine a celebrity like Leonardo DiCaprio expressing interest in owning this motorhome. Known for his taste in luxury and sustainability, he would be the perfect example of someone who desires a vehicle that combines elegance, comfort, and futuristic design. The BMW Concept Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice, and it's attracting attention from people who want the very best. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. We appreciate your time and your passion for luxury motorhomes. If you enjoyed this cinematic tour of the BMW Concept Motorhome, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment below with the name of your favorite motorhome. Your feedback helps us decide which motorhome to feature next, and we love hearing from our community. This has been a journey through one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever created, a BMW masterpiece that blends futuristic design with 5-star comfort. Whether you dream of driving it through the mountains, parking it by the ocean, or simply enjoying a movie night in its lounge, this motorhome is designed to make every moment unforgettable. Stay tuned for more videos, because we are just getting started in bringing you the most luxurious motorhomes from around the world.